Amoro maintie jara malulu TV en kine makare ma indien cheno mar kuku mar wach kod an Jeff Lombaka. Odiochieng' ma kawuono antiere e studio kod jalony weche go mag timo nonro to bende olony weche mag siasa koni kod kocha. Omiyo wadwa rango ni to siasa ma pacho ka indi sani ochimo kuma chalo nade. Wantiere siasa higa mokalo mar higa mar 2017. Sani waneno ka jotelo wacho moko wacho ni siasa koro rumo wadonji mondo warang weche go mag dongruok e piny mar Kenya duto. Wadwa rango ni to maendi bende en gima nyalo timore. Aneo ka jalup ker bende migosi William Samoei Ruto ne okwayo kwedho mbadho kod piny owacho kata nasani oyo wasebedo kod siasa mathoth wariwre uru kanyakla e weche mag dongruok. Arwaki studio.
Erokamano.
Moso ganda wa maneno Ruto.
Jokanyana Mamoson Msauru ilongan Tom Nduku. Ana dala mar Ogonja Siaya County.
Erokamano nya Tom kendo arwaki e studio kae ndi Nyagere. Kaka ng'ama bende olonyo weche go mag nonro kod weche mag chike bende. Nitiere matin ma ing'eyo. Nyiswa ni to nineno ka chino ma chande migosi Odinga ne ochamo muma kaka jatend piny owacho mar jopiny. Wach ni eri ler ne chalo nade kata iwinje nade kaka ng'ama nitiere kod lony e weche go.
Ok ang'eyo version mar chamo muma miwacho ni. Nen mane.
Mane neno ka otimore tarik 30.
Chamo muma mar nen jatend jopiny. To in virtue mare man no place where is interest on jopiny. Nun jopiny usotera mabor. This is what I now stand for. Even though na participate in election ma constitutional, it did not work, but my yoma giki kodu. I'm still there for you, pod abro defend you.
Mano era nyisi maro
mane maparo ni ranyisi no.
Emi paro ni mara nyisi.
Yes.
Ti paro na de Nyagere kakoro warangi matute wacho ni mano temi paro ni ranyisi mar wach no. Kakoro warangi matut wakete kod kuku mare. Kirange nikech wacho ni chal ni ka in kod jopiny, kaka wacho ni en kod jopiny moyie kuome kata mo believe kuome ni ng'ani nyalo konyowa. Te wacho ni koro chal ni no temo nyisogi ni pod an kodu kae magike kodu. Iparo ni maendi dhi konyo jopiny gi yo machalo nade. Be nitiere kony moro amora manyalo kelo?
Kind well defined, to en gima pod nyalo konyo jopiny. Nikech ing'eno kwasobedo ga very formidable opposition.
Yes.
Opposition norumo ndalo manene Jaduong' Jaramogi, Gumatiba, Kibaki Giran. Mage diere man opposition pekie. Then all of a sudden out of that wasobedo gik miluongo coalitions. Coalition gi sometimes gisobedo ka ginego the principle mar the opposition. Koro kwasobedo ga very proper opposition manyalo guide sirkal on accountability kata on mistakes ma sirkal timo. Koro the fact that now people's assembly nyalo betie en mananen gima okang'ene jakom dhi deal kod yo mane nikech he is not part of the management monego bed govern the government. Akiano dhi deal kode makoro dhi rango kaka joge makoro manyodonjo mamoko gin chairman mag park, moko gin chairman mag public investment committee, employment, parliamentary service commission, those kind of things. Nikech ibunge kanya apart from being a member of parliament, nitie migepni mopogore opogore. Mibro no ankan nitie members mage, nitie members mage mar chairmen of those committees, nitie members mar chairman mar members of those committees. To magi areas ma corruption osebedo katimore. Magi areas ma leadership okosobedo makare. Koro magi gik ma osebedo ka guide ga the country. Nikech all these functions mag the state, they operate within a certain ambit. There are checks and balances on those various committees. So in the long run, okwasobedo ga very proper committee. A very proper public accounts committee, a very proper public investment committee. Kada kai golo recommendations yo kosobedo katiyo. Nikech kagidi in the parliamentary proceedings, teno anka koro they are not affected. Like I will tell you, there is a case manawatimo Marland yota itataveta kuja. But macha koro ngima parliament implementation committee nyone go be no so the resettlement of those people in Itataveta. But they have not done it. Koro magigi kuma can be cherished on this level mar people's assembly.
Nyagere awinji. Gimado ni mondo mi bende Uganda wa ong'e maler. Nitire wach moro kaendi ma iwacho kod joko iwacho ni sani koro en coalition. Giwacho nyaka sani ni gen ok giyie kod yiero mar ok giyie kod loch mar migosi Kenyatta kaka jatend piny owacho. Ne gidhi ahead magitimo gimacho ni ere wacho ni chamo mamar gino nenore ni ne gitime ni mondo ng'is joerage ni maendi pod wan kodu pod wan kanyakla e lweny ni ere. Iparo ni kare kaendi to koro nyiso mare.
Ing'eni gigi depend the principle of the country. Kidi in any ki watch election kaka anyalo deal with a country that I study the politics maybe so much, United States of America, USA. We've had various elections. Magi so be election kaka ma Trump, also be election ma George Bush, George W. Bush, Martin, also be go election ma Obama. If you look at the elections all along, Joe Kande, they first of all recognize that there is what is called America as a state. Then they now go on the principle, what they believed in and what they expected out of the election. But because they are, they are governed and they are morally guided by the principle, by the development of the United States of America, they would always say that as much as I differ with the election result, but I wish the president to carry on with the work.
Manopo kwa neno kai.
Manopo kodonjo kai. To mani nyalo natemore ka jowa open their mind. You know, even me, I stood for elections.
Yes.
In fact, when I became the successful candidate, and I wished him well, because I knew, no, after 5 years, what were they doing? Yes, he may have not condition nyalo be no favor. Maybe Ngama cannot beat me in a very good election. But you see, every election has got its own weaknesses. The best way that people should do, and we should look in the principles. Jeff, I've really looked at what Uganda was. If you look at even the position, Obote was taking a very hard stand between him and Museveni when he was saying that he could not recognize Museveni. Then all of a sudden Museveni came and overthrew him through John Okello Oginga. They became divided. Uganda will overthrown. Until now, you are seeing they are now crying for that democracy. Let us not throw out what we've gotten in the dustbin. Let us try and conserve this and move on. We must recognize that every player in this game has really done a very big job. To gimanya kwa wachi ni it is always better mondo wabende wanene, can we conserve the gains that we've made to make us fight another day.
Unya gino iso ni kalura gika kiwache ineno ni okang mano kauni yeri mar pod wacho ni wa kwithma obalo kod piny wacho kuje kod yiero mar Kenyatta en oken gima ni kare keche temo wacho ni dwani samoro chopo ma ng'ato wacho ni okay kata okay yie ni gini otim maber to we akwani hayo maber idhi nyime kod tich wachak warit yiero moro pod biro
mano ka countries mature but okene ka Kenya pok obedo mature. Kenya pod we are now trying to behave as if the fact that I have a large following. And then I can kid biro Uganda kacha. You know, even me I can make one I know to govern Uganda. But is it going to help me? I don't sit in parliament. At the end of the day, Wanda is the one who sits in parliament. I have to give him all support that he needs. And wait for another time if I need to run. If I don't, I will leave it. I will call it quits because I'm geek matema in life. We have them. Jeff, I can't speak for him. I can only speak for myself. But what I'm saying, it is always good to be a good player. In the sense, there may be better reasons why we did not run for elections. You understand? For the second time, there may be better reasons. Maybe one and on the face value, these things were not done. But you see, look at, again, we've done so much with the support of the outside country. When we achieved 1992, it was United States of America that were behind us. It was the European Union that was behind us. It was these first world countries that were behind us. That's why we achieved what we achieved. But in Anoka Sanege Balokodwa, they are trying to say, you've worked so hard to bring Kenya in on a constitutional level. Why don't you pursue your matters through the constitution? It is my view that if we can continue synthesizing people, as much as Uganda Mokofil Nigin Jangen, if we unite, we can still beat them. And if we unite in a more proper way, then let's work out a progression more in a way that now, area Mane Mwachandre in police, area Mwachandre in IBC, how do we deal with IBC? You understand? How do we deal with IBC? Can't we be able to interrogate this register before election after 3 months? And do we go and agree what do I register? Magi a total result. Mako bed announce more than this. What register at the Supreme Court? magi population mar jo Kenya madhi go ombulu ma within 1 month checks and balances so check jo mani hospital to bo mi wan jogi mani hospital we make a decision na jo mani hospital gi okudhi go kura you understand as players we make a decision jo mani prison gin dia di manyalo go kura wa yien gi go kura kuso go yie watamore probably there can be an influence of the government what do you read disciplined forces gin jo Kenya yes we don't refuse but are they people that will be influenced to vote in another line Kagin Joma can be influenced, they cannot be allowed to make their own decision. Then as players, let's say, these people, we don't want their votes, whether Ginmagi or Ginmaga. Then let's approach the election. On that basis, I think will make a lot of sense. And then, Kenyans, you see, Jeff, like when Facebook became part of the communication system in this country, it has actually been a thing that now is being used even to cause a lot of malice, which is not very much.
No, Facebook,
no. That one shows you how dishonest Kenyans have come. You understand? You can't expect good things when you are dishonest. Even Jeff, we have bigger things for this country to do than this thing. A young leadership be kilo bear, but leadership, when you are still not, you are still denied. And I want to give you a phrase. When John McCain lost for Obama, there is one thing that John McCain said, and Bush also made it. John McCain no action. We owe the black American this day. They have come a long way. He was looking at the history. No, all along was presidents in those countries, but now the justice of God now worked, and a black American was becoming the first president, and he made it in his statement. The same thing, if you remember, when George Bush welcomed in his when he was actually congratulating Barack, he said it. We owe the black American this day. You understand? Even our time, our time will come when this country will owe you Luo. That thankful aspect. To me, I think there is always a second chance, because you must know those are great people. But that's what I mean. That's what I'm saying. No, what I'm saying, you know, you cannot force the impossibles, but you can use the impossibles to make things become possible. Again, Jeff, we must look. You can't say you must score the ball if you believe you can give a pass to somebody else to score.
Awinji wonyege obro kayo matene kwa dugo to abro chako atere chiel ka chiel kapod warango weche gek mondo menyiso gandawa ter mar wach ma iwuoye sebiro ka idhobregi ka besa adwane mondo wach dudu maler kendo kiwuoyo to wach ne gi wach ma oriere ne giwegi wacha kaen wach makamate wacha wach makamai ma okiterwa kamoro adwane wuoye wach ma ji winjo ni wuon nyager
to kana wacho gimadi
maindi en kukumaro wach obro dugo Kamano moro maintie jara madolo tiwa chako duoge thuolo mar ariyo ma indi en chiel mar kuk mar wach mabende warangi weche madhi nyime pacho ka indi koni kod kocha antiere studio ka indi kod Tom Duk mabende ong'ere kaka Wuonyagera chiel ka chiel warango weche matimore sanieri mamiyo wache ni kuku mar wach mana kako timore sama timore nyaka wang'ad gi matindo tindo mondo mi oganda magwa owinje chaka rwat studio Wuonyagera agoni erokamano kuom biro okang'eyo ni to be ineno TV mari koso pod olore
TV aneno station moko pod olor.
Olorgi wach mar loro stations ni ringa locha.
Wach mar loro stations and the country has failed to explain or give fail when they watch in Japan. Gimume giloro station. I think many mistake marketing. Kata kane giloro station serikali ne nyaka wach reason momiyo gitimo mano. Kora ka jirango kaen gimanie chik kata kaen gimonge chik. To kaen gimanie chik to ne koro joma ne gimayo business ka nyalo ringo to kwayo gin now decision moka gimo paro mongo ni orach to kata kopo no teme kechun serikal to arakiko kado di chenge makama to kolore alora maonge time to manoro koro joma na paro monego tim tich maber en jo media council of media emo nego dhioro ministry with the state mondo gipenjire no okay action uni ne utimo kaka serikal you may be uni mung'eyo gima ne diyo out of your action gini ubro wewe by when kora korange iwinja out of that eka kata ne giringo gidie court iwinja nikech already gisomo me jogi latitude jogi fail moko timo kore there could be a reason but when you just submit the court on the base value of the law tingena at the end of the day nitie gimilo ngan security matters chomoko nyalo override some certain things koro ko kia approach malongo to ngacha nyalo tiyo power ne no wrongly mondo digo to koro kia approach malongo tigengo ne obende koro gengo ne action mare ma forceful koro bedo ng'at moro mabende oregea koro an gima paro ni gima nonego tim media council onego rom go jogi koro gidhi kucha masama gidhi court gidhi on a best evidence one giwacho no wabende wayien serikal nyalo kawo action whether it is within the law or it is not within the law so long as nen gima touch interest na the country but time nyakabirga iwinja kata ng'ama itweyo it is decided ni kawuono in waloro fitni idhi dak e jela ndalo maka
to awinji maber awinjo kiwacho ni maybe can't ile security reasons so kadwa wacho ni in ichunge docket mar security e piny mar Kenya okadwa wacho ni Matiang'i to in kaka wuon yager ng'ama nigi lony iparo ni ne ochopo kama koro ne ochuno ni nyaka lor TV stations kalore gi weche mag arita kwe mantie e pachi ni wuon kaka wuon yager
ing'eyo gima Jeff anyalo ng'isi kaka ng'ama olony wach mag intelligence mapping kich mane course na timo very deeply intelligence one and gimilo no gather information or depend gima jogi no gather whether it is correct or wrong or depend gima ne gather and gima koro ne gimiyo the decision making organ ma the internal security you understand sometimes ki upuuza gig security it becomes an endanger the life of the country koro but the minister ought to have done that. I want to give you an example. Kanene Osama bin Laden ogoyo the United States of America. One thing that Bush came out very nicely. No, me or the candidate confidence. We've been attacked. So we are going to smoke these people dead or alive. And he went all over and sent even his envoys. The countries will not be affected. Mundo me the confidence. Them as America, they are taking control. The only thing that the ministry Mar Matiang'i Kosoto Maber and the decision has taken too long. It means need the security. The life of the country for tomorrow. This country needs to survive economically. This country needs to survive in news. Even this country will depend on news. Gather. Gathering news no will depend on how the station is actually formed. Okinya Pimo citizen get any other station in this country. Okinya Pimo kata KTN get any other station in this country. Kata K24 makorogiweno. Okinya Pimo nation go K24. It means nintie areas makomane ge limit. Magi makoro mai kama gino kororacho. To mai engima I think the media council should take efforts and move. Kigibed ingeni gimarachi bejo aneseche moko gik mone gwadil go in a more in a solution approach. What do you go in a reaction approach? Ingeni Jeff sanika dwati ko lwenye mai kinda kodi. Okanya bilo tachako goko kiget kai. I will look for you Jeff amwalaro. Kuri ngisa issues go. Kagin gik mai can be apologetic about. I become apologetic about. Kagin gik madwa loso I loso. Nkisa mai yuwayo ta yuwayo. Ngama henyere ngama japinga. Sani ngeni jo mai henyere gin consumers. Even to TV okay news can then TV know so many things. They give a lot of very educative. Even koro kai ma ananya lokwa the state ni gisopo daina. Depending on their action, I do not know at what level they took their action, but gino koroso.
Ilo kama tenya lo wacho na ngoni kecha ngene wachi ni libene ni hotel nyimdo mando ne wacho ni mondomi wachi ne ochi uthulo makene ni utefu mondomi odhi nyime kod lendo mari. To mano iro waneno kapoko timore. Nyiswa ni unbe jok mosebedo karinge nyimdo koni kod kocha samoro wacho ni nitire contempt of court. Nyiswa ni to mano to ka en gima tiyo to otiyo na. Ingen
contempt of court to jogo koroso the against the court. Koro jomanyo the parties ma concerned will go back to the court. contempt of court are two things. Either the court can order mondo ngama order no be served on more cause effect the order or be the charge. To can you on a blanket, on a blanket area, then they have to amend their constitution. Probably they took the matter on a blanket, now give it on a specific individual. Court of act, I can give an order nulolue, but Okadil Jeff as the news editor, he does not Okota Mikael and news. Some deal with Jeff, not Jeff Kickland news. Managa Koren Gima articulate. That is when you are seen airing the news. Korakinya be making Jeff in under contempt. Or depending case in the court at what level. An order can come out, but such a blank order. Ivinja. An order must be specific order. You cannot serve an organization. You karakopo na adwa deal concerning lolwe NTV. Anyalo deal ge NTV as the first respondent. To nyaka deal gan individual, the CEO. Maga koro contempt I go for the CEO. I'm not saying that could be, but I think that is why the government is still also taking leeway. Because the government been cheek maber, only when so doki court we cover the order, but our qua extension of time, what him 1, 2, 3. That is when a state is building itself.
To mind no watch mabende osibedo criticize kata no watch mo se cha ahinya, ose cha code European Union, ose cha code United States of America, ose cha code Uganda Josundo, ose cha gijima potha ahinya. Ni mind okeno kan maber mano nego beni kaw kod penya wacho mar loro utefwamo. Jima ngenya wacho ka giwone mind dwoko piny mar Kenya chien. Iparo nade koso ipogori eparo ke kitu sawa weche mag security.
Yes, akiani penja gino kaka an expert ma security kosi penja kaka ja siasa.
Ngamo lony merigi wach mar siasa.
Ngamo lony ta so explain ni. Ni achiel kuom genia security issues nyaka tim within a certain level. To nitie gima nyalo miyo mano nyalo bedo no kik timre. You understand? Such a moko, why they were saying that, were doing that, and probably they have no, again karasani nyalo lungo striker, but you have no control of gimaji the timo bangman. You understand? Koro probably negiwe en kaginyiso gino, maybe Kisumu will ban, maybe Kakamega will ban, maybe other areas will ban. That one can be one thing. I do not know. I'm not in that decision. But now I'm telling you as an intelligent officer, Mabendo Somugik Belago. Ma is a security expert. Mabendo Kusomi Kenya kama gather this thing out.
Tokade hii kaka ja siasa today do kuna.
Kan kaka ja siasa, then I would just demand near whole gigo. Because Mado Kora act to please the public, but I'm not doing it for continuity.
Yes,
the Siamoko are talking to police you. They are not talking on things when they are in those positions they will do. That one I want to tell you, Jeff. Managi Mosoka to Kenya Kai. Ni Kenya Kai niti a lot of robots. No, but Kenya Kai are inconsistent. Again, Jeff, let me tell you. How do I use Gimoro? How do I use Gimoro? In Yanagi Komi on Yuchinanoka, people are becoming bitter. Change wearing in Majako. Any catch joke, Minanoka, Gin joke ma, they are there to please the public. Gino Komakogi, Ivinja. I can tell you, Jeff, I was in this struggle. They are there to benefit. Mama is serious in this thing. Benefit now. And right, no, get were positions. They want to be on the correct end. I'm telling you, fact, Jeff. You can't go anywhere. You will only see your Goraila. You modongo. Kajuang and self-made. From the university time. That's why he could take that position. Karamogona Mejo China. Mogona is self-made. They are raised Masoka. There is something you believe on. You want to for good things to happen. Call you called work Mabero, you do I. You eat that. Tomanobe Musobe that one doing in the opposition end. We are really one program in Malich. Agenda became agenda nobody disillusioned. Long time. You may not struggle in this country. I'm sure if we kept more developed, do Sani one Mabur Malis. In Yangra Sani Kirango progression, the political line, the opposition, the doubt. And Gibro Noanka, Namajuni, Mano struggle. Mano struggle. ma cannot even afford to print posters sama ijidhi for election to bende onego yudi is not getting this position to ngamo biro go pesa ma seche moko en otimo hala go sirkal en ma kore en mujumbe nyuchi neno grana I'm sorry to mention nyuchi neno tambadi ka Facebook golo kaka koro chama ngwech and you see kineno samo wuoti wen mano thuon maka
no ringo nikech ne obatia
no to kanyisi no emanyisi no let me tell you Jeff even Jeff kithuon
kata tiagas do
no kithuon even Jeff yeah let me tell you emanyisi ntie joma wuoyo tough when pain is very cool but kakoro situation ochopo you cannot see them Jeff pain ntie kama joae
to in kure ibe in joma ringo
no and my participation people know jongeo yeah the only thing that I don't want okadwa gik moko ma ngato tera for a ride anya beti lweny moro to ka ji pene beta onge beni ngato kupari ento mo chunkai ngani ochunkai wo kod gi mondara gi gombaka ngi ginduto gin jomo wangeyo ngani otima
manyiso ne kidhi lweny tidhi mondo benefit ok kidhi mondo jopinyo benefit
onde ko bedu yen kaka sani the fact no wanda yoyombo I have not bitter because at least one day I was there you understand kada sani ochanda I'm really happy for him because Uchanda suffered. But ongeza chemoko minya anwanka kaka sani Alego the MP Mantini, yes, he's worth it. He struggled. Iwinja. He struggled. But ndiye kodemo komeno anga ngamodo was not there. Was not there. Because person nemo kele. That's where we go wrong.
Tukoro leadership ngeri ko nyalo loke en mana ni jok mana nitie kinde cheme
tapenji ini dwadi gimani yonge na
to nyuol ka ko nyuol ka an koro nyuola Jeff nyanga matin to nyuola ugonje constituency mari ok anyalo chung nikech na onge kinde mana
no to ibenya kibedi in that line okuno ndalocha ibenya kibedi in that line okuno siasa kora kibiro nikikuri tudri ngato kati nyanya certificate then everybody should make money.
What you kunya geto watch electoral injustice kech bi wacho kai nini unjo siasa uriambo mano watch me confess kaindi koro kangeni to inbe kare kai
no awacho
chungi gamoka
awanyo njo siasa I want you to go slowly. I want you to go slowly. I want you to go slowly. I so define the kind of politicians majo Kenya. Nitie joma sycophants. Nitie joma self-made who can continue with Gimagi believe. Nitie joma would want to be in that boat. Me, I believe on myself. I believe Nitie Gimajo Kenya Duaro. I believe Nitie Gimajo Kenya also achieve, which we should progress with. No matter who gets it. And no matter what condition exists at that time. Wanyalo move na Kakoganda to make us achieve. But me, a very good example. Mar John McCain Obama ko win election akiani dwa na puonji machanade
nyisa to moving forward be paro ni dire kama obro chobe ka piny mar Kenya mo wach ni oyo yero tim kendo tima maber oganda satisfied
yes
it's kata imbe ngata chiel ma komple ma wacho kai ni weche mag yiero gi kine ok odhi maber do to ne ok dhi to ni wacho ni weya nikech there is another time be paro ni wanyalo chopo kama chalo kama
chope nade wabro chopo ineno gik matimore e piny gi don't wish them away. They are there for good things. Onego kick temgi mana to make a situation. No do a police a situation. But temgi mwane no wanyalo earn this thing. Like I really agree with Gikwaneja Komoacho. Ni elections kato team to kotimi yo maber. We have things that we need to improve. Wadwaru kaka pesa de mangeny piny mwalo. Wadwaru kaka electoral process nyalo losi. Mano is a very good agenda. In a way that you can be able to greet somebody. Najatelo. Karagini and happy. To wano kinega Kenya ka Equala. Equality cannot be the basis of my business. Yeah. Unless going ama we dish kamara ne you want to die very quickly. You people chako dakin blame. Could the contest election for what? Let's deal with other things that we can do. Nitie life nitie okocho na ninya kibena jatelo.
Ayo kama no winyagira winji. Koro podiri to 2022.
Okana read. If it finds me in fit form, I will be there. If I see the mood of the people still going with the way they want, I may not run. Yes. It depends. Don't abenda andano bwana. Kwani anangat matija nluji. Because antija na keto record ni omba every day.
To don't know.
That is not my record.
What ni ujo penye mani duari. Ngoma no lokore.
Jo penye lo duari, but system ukuduari.
Ma system man.
To system okuntie region ka region. Region ka region their boss. Either giduari or giduari. Yes.
Koro ugonja kuma ni chunge be unege boss.
One go bosses i Nyanza ok ni no gine. There is politics maybe they may not want people like
bosses mage.
No, the gintie, gingere. Their time will come soon. Bwana kada gima lieth kwe.
Koro ne gidino ni.
No, kada gima adwa nyisi ni kada gima lieth kwe.
Ero kamano wenyage.
Today adwa ni ngeni kada gima lieth kwe.
Wach ni mogi kideo kanda mar jod wenyanza yo moloyo e weche mabene nyalo konyo ne wacho ni mondo mi warang weche mag somo na winjo kiwuoyo kiywaka inye weche mag somo weche mag basari dakika achiel kendo.
No, ana wacho ni jotelo masanegi. Gisobedo ka gitiyo ji marach. As much as yani jo mang'eny opondi tok jakom kae to gima gitimo jo piny maber wonto onge. Iwinja min wango no kata na basari gi gin gik ma ji mang'iewo. And I can tell you that your form basari is very easy. You give 3,000 shillings and you get it.
Imiyonga.
Don't give me your geography, your material office rasanga. They are there. Kada jo material office constituency go. You give them 1,000 shillings, then you are sure to get 10,000. Mane momiyo jo modhier wegi ok nyal ga yudo basari. And I want this kangato challenger. Gigolie names ma jo mosuido basari. Ebon wan kawon gitiyo min gitiyo.
Wach ni ring'eyo in ng'ama timo nonro ng'ama wuok si account yo nyuole si ai bende ijasi ai. Eno kang mane mise kaw nikech une jok manyalo konyo ganda wani oyo ka ng'ato koi pesa to maka mai kako ne ubene wati.
No, ing'eyo ng'ama dhier has no money so ene ng'ama nyalo miya the information. Anyalo kutamie marked money magolo ka police mondo dhi oming'ano. To eno onge go koro kata ng'acho ok nyadire gigi no gitimo in a certain conference. We have had this thing Jeff kata kirango ka kia tenders been awarded and that's why we have a very shoddy infrastructure. I Nyanza mangima we have a very shoddy infrastructure. It doesn't matter governors go no biro no ng'ama ne dwarogi. It is the party. No, jo piny mage. They had kata magwanga I agree magwangu kinya pimo ga weti and you also know this. Kana ngane ne gumbo ne kinya pimo grasanga. But grasanga no, okuno gochine. This thing nitie kano bedo crafted Jeff. And you know you meja teko ne. Yeah, when it's still there meja teko ne. Okungima room. We are not going to die. Yes.
Okelo Lui TV and Jeff Lomba kana atire kod Tom Nduku wenyageno bende wacho ni okomor kod telo mantiere Nyanza duto ko wacho ni weche mathoth machalo kaka somo weche mag thieth poko dhi kare. Owacho ka indi kende ni jotelo ge kini dwaro kod party. Okadwa penye ni party mane obro chako wacho odiochieng' machielo. Oriti masane.
Erokamano.
Nyako chak warad kendo.
Erokamano.